pups?
They're up there.
Take company numbers. They lack defenses most animals would have. And if we're being honest, but the one you have to watch out for is the cuckoo bird. Do you know how the cuckoo bird survives? By preying on a mother's weakness. The cuckoo bird is too clever to raise its young. Instead, it sneaks its eggs into the nests of simpler birds. So when they hatch, the mother bird is fooled. She feeds them, nurtures them. And do you know what happens to her own chicks? They starve and die from neglect. All because a mother loved a chick that wasn't her own.
Come now, time for sleep.
I think they like me.
Why are you doing this? He's gone.